Welcome to our deep dive exploration of one of the most intriguing what-if scenarios in human history. What if aliens arrived tomorrow? In this video, we explore a technically rigorous and fact-driven analysis of the impact of first contact with an extraterrestrial civilization. Our discussion is geared towards experts and enthusiasts who are well-versed in astrophysics, advanced technological paradigms, and global socio-political structures. Today, we will break down the multifaceted implications of such an unprecedented event with a relaxed yet precise tone, ensuring that every point is analyzed with the depth and nuance that an expert audience demands. We will review historical perspectives, dive into technical insights, illuminate scientific predictions, and assess geopolitical as well as economic impacts. With references to current astrophysical research, numerical models, and advanced theories in communication and technology, our analysis aims to leave no stone unturned. Throughout this presentation, we invite you to consider not only the immediate reactions, but also the longer-term evolutionary influences of first contact on human society. Expect data-driven analysis, rigorous evaluations, and insightful commentary that is accessible without oversimplification. So buckle up as we embark on this journey into a future where extraterrestrial intelligence fuels both scientific innovation and global recalibration of human identity. Our discussion today is filled with technical insights, practical considerations, and carefully curated analysis that promises to expand your understanding of our place in the cosmos. Now, let us journey through rigorous data, advanced theories, and precise models to uncover the true impact on our shared future. Historical and conceptual background. Before diving into the technicalities of potential first contact, it is essential to examine the deep historical and conceptual roots of humanity's fascination with extraterrestrial life. For centuries, civilizations have woven myths and legends that include celestial visitors and mysterious beings from the skies. Early astronomers, philosophers, and religious scholars debated the existence of life beyond Earth, with theories ranging from divine messengers to supernatural entities. Over the ages, scientific discoveries progressively transformed these mythic narratives into rigorous inquiries. The development of the telescope and later advances in spectroscopy provided clues about the composition of celestial bodies, fueling curiosity about distant worlds. In modern times, the advent of space exploration and the discovery of exoplanets have revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. Researchers now utilize quantitative methods, statistical models, and advanced simulation techniques to estimate the probability of life existing in other parts of our galaxy. Iconic events, such as the publication of groundbreaking work on the Drake equation, have offered a framework for evaluating the number of communicative civilizations in the Milky Way. Moreover, the influence of science fiction, from classic literature to blockbuster films, has fueled public imagination and even influenced policy decisions regarding space research. Understanding these layers of historical context not only enriches our perspective, but also sets the stage for a technical discussion on the implications of actual first contact. This background allows us to appreciate the blend of art, science, and cultural evolution that has shaped our quest for knowledge beyond Earth. As we proceed, it will be crucial to integrate both historical insights and modern quantitative analysis to fully grasp how a sudden encounter with extraterrestrial intelligence might reshape every facet of our society. This thorough historical review lays the groundwork for a sophisticated examination of future scenarios. Indeed, unquestionably, the possibilities of first contact, scenarios, and theories. Let us now turn to the manifold possibilities of first contact and explore several advanced scenarios supported by rigorous scientific theories and quantitative analyses. One of the most plausible scenarios involves a non-hostile initiation. Extraterrestrial visitors could arrive using stealth technology and advanced propulsion systems, emerging from the dark side of the galaxy. Their arrival might be detected by deep space sensor arrays and be preceded by subtle shifts in cosmic radiation, providing preliminary data points that hint at an advanced civilization's existence. Experts hypothesize that these visitors would likely employ a universal mathematical language or even quantum-based signals as a method of communication, thereby facilitating an exchange of scientific information. Conversely, Some models predict that the initial contact might be misinterpreted by Earth's automated defense networks, leading to a cascade of defensive measures based solely on algorithmic assessments rather than human judgment. In another scenario, the encounter could involve an intentional but cryptic handoff of data, where aliens transmit compressed packets of information containing both technology blueprints and cosmic history. Sophisticated decoding algorithms, backed by machine learning, would then be deployed by scientists around the globe to unravel these messages. Theories also suggest that first contact could coincide with other natural cosmic events, such as supernova remnants or gamma-ray bursts, thereby masking the arrival and complicating the signal analysis process. Furthermore, some experts propose that alien communications may be encoded in multi-dimensional formats, challenging our conventional three-dimensional data processing methods. The role of artificial intelligence becomes paramount in this context, as AI systems could bridge significant gaps in understanding complex symbolic representations that go beyond human linguistic capabilities. Statistical probability models, such as those used in Monte Carlo simulations, have been applied to assess the likelihood of various contact scenarios, providing numerical estimates that account for both terrestrial and extraterrestrial technological trajectories. Data from these elaborate models indicate that although the probability of contact remains statistically low, the potential consequences are immensely transformative. Integrating interdisciplinary research from quantum physics, AI signal processing, and exobiology provides a robust framework for evaluating these scenarios. Each possibility, from peaceful cultural exchange to misinterpreted defensive actions, offers unique challenges and opportunities. Hence, our theoretical models become indispensable tools that guide our preparations for any future encounter with an advanced civilization. These comprehensive analyses underscore the complexity of first contact and serve as a call for ongoing research and preparedness in our scientific community. Absolutely critical. Immediate global reactions and response. Upon the immediate arrival of extraterrestrial visitors, the global reaction would be both diverse and instantaneous. Social media platforms, news agencies, and digital forums would ignite with real-time updates and expert analyses, leading experts to compare the event to historical turning points in human civilization. Governments worldwide would initiate emergency protocols, activating defense systems while simultaneously forming committees of scientists, diplomats, and policy advisors. These responses would be coordinated not only within individual nations but also across international bodies such as the United Nations, with efforts focused on de-escalating potential panic and ensuring a measured response. Psychological studies predict that initial reactions would range from widespread euphoria among enthusiasts to stark anxiety among communities sensitive to global instability. Researchers in behavioral science and neuropsychology would rapidly mobilize to understand the neurological impact of such a shock on the human brain, measuring stress hormones and neural responses in diverse populations. Advanced analytics and big data technologies would track sentiment shifts across various demographics, offering a granular perspective of societal reactions. Maintaining public order while promoting transparency would be a critical challenge for authorities, who must balance national security interests with the imperative for open scientific collaboration. In parallel, media experts and communication theorists would analyze how the narrative of first contact is constructed and disseminated across traditional and digital media. Military experts, on the other hand, would examine the event from a strategic standpoint, debating the implications of unidentified technologies and potential threats. Local emergency services would prepare for possible mass evacuations or social unrest, while financial markets might react unpredictably, with stock indices and commodity prices fluctuating in response to uncertainty. Although chaos might ensue initially, a coordinated international effort could gradually re-establish order, with scientific advisors playing a key role in shaping public policy. Ultimately, the immediate global response to first contact would be an amalgamation of fear, hope, curiosity, and calculated geopolitical maneuvering, setting the stage for future international cooperation and crisis management. As experts continuously analyze emerging data, societies worldwide will adapt their strategies, drawing on cutting-edge research and global cooperation to meet the unprecedented challenge: scientific, technological, and medical impact. First contact with an extraterrestrial civilization would ignite a new era of scientific exploration and technological advancement. Researchers would immediately focus on recovering and deconstructing any technology presented by the visitors. Advanced materials analysis, spectroscopy, and quantum computing would be instrumental in deciphering the composition and potential applications of alien artifacts. Scientists in aerospace and robotics might collaborate to reverse engineer propulsion systems that defy conventional physics, ushering in breakthroughs in energy generation and interstellar travel. In parallel, the fusion of alien biological data with terrestrial biomedical research could revolutionize medicine, leading to innovations such as novel gene therapies, regenerative techniques, and unprecedented understandings of human longevity. The infusion of extraterrestrial data may also accelerate developments in nanotechnology and bioengineering. It is anticipated that a surge in international research collaboration would occur as laboratories combine efforts to analyze exotic materials through high-resolution electron microscopes, particle accelerators, and computational models. Moreover, the impact on theoretical physics could be profound. The uncovering of new dimensions of reality might validate or refute current theories in quantum mechanics and relativity, prompting revisions and expansions of the standard model. In addition, cutting-edge AI systems would be deployed to process the massive influx of data and predict applications within both commercial and medical fields. Researchers would conduct meticulous experiments to ensure that any integration of alien technology does not inadvertently trigger unknown biological hazards or disrupt critical ecosystems. Funding agencies around the world would redirect massive resources into cross-disciplinary projects, while policymakers establish international frameworks to govern the ethical use of this new knowledge. Overall, First Contact promises not only a rapid acceleration of technological capability, but a fundamental rethinking of scientific paradigms and medical possibilities, potentially transforming life on Earth for generations to come. It is undeniable that the synthesis of alien knowledge with human innovation would challenge existing scientific boundaries and catalyze a surge in technological and medical breakthroughs. Laboratories would operate at unprecedented speeds, and collaborative networks would span continents, fueling progress in fields ranging from genomics to materials science. This integration promises a future where human well-being is enhanced through radical, evidence-based discovery, societal, cultural, and psychological transformations. Beyond the immediate practical responses, First Contact would trigger profound societal, cultural, and psychological transformations. Experts in sociology, anthropology, and psychology would analyze shifts in collective consciousness as humanity reassesses its place in the cosmos. Established belief systems, religious doctrines, and cultural narratives would be challenged by the undeniable reality of interstellar neighbors. In academic circles, conferences and symposia would emerge to discuss the existential implications, with panels exploring topics such as the redefinition of identity and the reimagining of human ethics in light of new cosmic perspectives. On a societal level, the integration of alien ideas could lead to innovative forms of art, literature, and multimedia expression, reflecting both the wonder and the uncertainty inherent in such an encounter. Psychological studies might document changes in stress levels, resilience, and communal support, while cultural historians compare this moment to previous turning points that reshaped society. Digital media, including blogs, podcasts, and online forums, would play a significant role in disseminating diverse interpretations of First Contact. Additionally, new educational initiatives could emerge, designed to prepare future generations for living in a world that now includes confirmed interstellar communication. In urban centers and rural communities alike, local leaders and thinkers would engage in dialogues about redefining national and cultural identities. Policymakers may even draw inspiration from the event to foster social cohesion, funding projects that bridge cultural divides. As the shock of the event is absorbed, a gradual transformation would likely take root, one that integrates advanced technological concepts with enduring human values. While some may experience existential disorientation, many will find renewed purpose in the pursuit of knowledge, creativity, and global unity. Ultimately, this paradigm shift promises to foster a societal evolution that is as multidisciplinary as it is profound, leaving a lasting legacy on the fabric of human civilization. Emerging dialogue in academic journals, interdisciplinary think tanks, and public forums will further dissect these cultural shifts, examining the long-term psychological impacts. New models of community engagement and educational reform will arise, promoting resilience and enriched cultural exchange across global societies. Political, economic, and security implications. Discovering extraterrestrial life would have far-reaching political, economic, and security implications that challenge traditional global power dynamics. Politically, governments would be forced to reassess defense policies, invest in space-based surveillance, and establish collaborative frameworks with other nations. International alliances might be restructured as nations prioritize technological advancements and security measures indicative of a new era. Economic markets could experience volatility as investors react to uncertainties, with key indicators such as oil prices and technology stocks undergoing significant fluctuations. Central banks may adjust monetary policies in response to novel risks, while emerging industries focused on space and advanced technology could see unprecedented growth. Security experts would analyze potential threats posed by unknown technologies, advocating for robust cybersecurity initiatives and advanced countermeasures. The interplay between military readiness and scientific transparency would catalyze new diplomatic protocols aimed at preventing conflicts and promoting shared research initiatives. Trade agreements could be renegotiated to include strategic resources critical for space exploration and energy production. Moreover, policy think tanks and global forums would intensify debates on ethical governance, national sovereignty, and resource allocation in an increasingly interconnected world. Economists might deploy complex econometric models to predict market reactions, while military strategists assess the implications of technologies that could upset established doctrines of warfare. Throughout this turbulent process, leadership at all levels would be compelled to balance national interests with global security considerations, ultimately steering a cautious but forward-thinking course amid uncertainty. In the coming weeks, world leaders, economists, and security analysts will hold emergency sessions and convene summit meetings, employing sophisticated data analysis and predictive modeling to chart a strategic response that safeguards both national interests and the collective future of humanity, the future of humanity post-contact. As we conclude our exploration of first contact, it becomes evident that an encounter with extraterrestrial intelligence represents a paradigm shift with consequences that stretch far into the future. The integration of alien perspectives and technologies holds the promise of catalyzing revolutionary changes in every aspect of society, from scientific research and technological innovation to cultural evolution and global governance. Long-term evolutionary impacts may include refined human philosophies, reshaped social institutions, and a renewed sense of purpose that transcends national borders. While challenges will undoubtedly arise, the potential benefits of embracing a multidimensional cosmic perspective are profound. This analysis has showcased data-driven insights and advanced theoretical frameworks that demonstrate both the promise and complexity inherent in such a historic event. Moving forward, it is crucial that humanity remains agile, informed, and united, leveraging interdisciplinary expertise to navigate the uncharted territory of interstellar engagement. By fostering global dialogue, transparent scientific exchange, and robust international policies, we can ensure that the future of humanity is bright and secure. Thank you for joining us in this deep and technical examination of what may be the most consequential event in human history. Stay curious, stay informed, and continue to seek a deeper understanding of our place in the ever-expanding universe. Looking ahead, experts predict that this revelation will usher in a new chapter of cosmic exploration, inspiring groundbreaking research initiatives and innovative educational programs across the globe. Together, we will redefine progress and our destiny in the universe. Our united spirit drives limitless future discovery,